you should. Guys, I put my name like this because 100 Point Gaming will not fit. For now, I will put random intro. Yo, what up guys? I'm 100 Point Gaming. Alrighty then. So guys, yeah. We see Cuphead and Mugman. Yeah, in there. So, today we are going to play the Inner Workshop. Bendy. So, let's get into it. Alright guys, we're in first person. The Inner Workshop. Credits. The creator. Alright guys. It's time to believe. Guys, I have to pause the video by doing this. Yeah. So, okay, where are we going? It's time to believe. I think I played this. Yeah. Let's open this. There's Alice Angel, there's Bendy. Yeah. Soup. Bacon soup. Yeah, I played it. It's piano playing. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Let's open this. Okay, previous failed. Teleporting process. Okay. Hold shift to run. So we teleported here. Who's that? Slug, Alice Angel. I played this before. Oh, we can open doors. Open the door. No ink monsters. So touch the pentagrams. Touch. Oh, dreams come true. Ooh, alright. I'm running, guys. Boom! Okay, that's a locked door. I know this locked doors. That's... We have to run, guys! Whoa. Guys, we have to run. Beware. Beware, oh wait, beware the listener. Is this? Dreams come true. Bendy. No pentagram. Oh. Boom. Open this. You're gonna look at me. You shoot. Stop looking, Vera. To be honest, don't look at me. Stuff. Hey, look it. Look it. Okay, there's an axe on Bendy's eye. That's creepy. Stop looking at me. Who's laughing now? Stop looking. People are looking at me. Stop. Oh no, why I got pushed by the door? You can't escape the watch. Egg? What's this? Hi, Bendy. Whoa! No! What happened? It's so dark. Face this way. Okay. Guys, I think that is the end. Yeah, it is an end. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And please like and subscribe. And bye.